Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to install and use Microsoft Edge AI browser on your phone. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Play Store. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my Play Store. Just like so. After you open up your Play Store, next thing you need to do is to come down below here, click on search. Just like so. The next thing you need to do is to come to the address bar right here and type in Edge. And click on enter, then it takes you right here. So the next thing you need to do is to simply click on here, Microsoft Edge AI browser. Click on that, it takes you right here. Now you can swipe, and as at the time of making this video, 100 million plus people have successfully downloaded, installed, and used this app. You can scroll down and see great reviews that people have to say about using this browser. Next thing you need to do is to simply go ahead and install it. And for you to do that, click on install. After a successful installation, next thing you can do is to simply click on open right here. It's going to load up, and just like so, it takes you right here. Next thing you want to do now is you can decide to set this browser as your default browser, or better still, click on not now. So it takes you right here. Sign in to synchronize your account with your Edge browser. So you can simply click on add account right here. The account you can use with this browser is always your Outlook or Hotmail account. If you don't have an account, you can simply create a free account. But if you have an account, you can just sign in straight up with your username and password. So in this tutorial, I'm going to simply click on add an account because I have an account with Microsoft Outlook. So I will enter the mail address right here. Then I'll simply click on next. Then I'll enter the login password. Then I'll click on sign in. Then the next thing you need to do here is to click on confirm. Boom, you will be taken in just like so. Then click on allow. It's as simple as that. So this is how to download and install Microsoft Edge AI browser on your phone. Now let's see how we can explore and use this AI browser to search for stuff on internet. Let's, for instance, we want to search for something where we can make use of this particular ask me anything right here. So we can say, what is the full meaning of HTTP? Then search. So just like so, we have every information about it right here. Now, one very good thing about this AI browser is that you can make use of Copilot, which is also known as chatbot. You can also click on videos right here. This allows you to see the video results of whatever you are searching for. So if I click on Copilot right here, it takes me to AI chat. Now, what we can do here, how do we use this particular AI chat to ask for some information? You can see automatically what I asked for in the search engine was present right here. Alternatively, on AI Copilot with Microsoft Edge browser, we can use our voice to ask questions with this particular AI. Now, for you to do that, what we want to do is to simply click on this plus sign right here. This allows us to ask a new question. So we can simply click on this particular mic right here and simply ask our question. It's as simple as that. We can also upload picture using this particular icon. So what we do is to upload a picture and we create a chat with AI Copilot. Okay, we can click on these three dots from the top right here and see how we can navigate right here. There are where, so this place here, we can switch into whatever color of our choice. We can save search mode, moderate. We can do a lot of things right here as far as this search engine is concerned. So let's quickly go back to the home page. Now you want to see video regarding to the keyword of what you are searching for. Just simply click on videos right here. And you have videos related to the question you asked that you can simply watch just to narrow your question. Alternatively, you can make use of images. This allows you to see some of the images that are related to the question you asked about HTTP. You can swipe and see more and more as far as this is concerned. So let's quickly go back to home page, which is also known as Microsoft Bing. Then right here from the home page, we can use this section here to read some of the latest news as the case may be. And also we can use this microphone right here just to ask for audio question and we will get a simple response from this particular AI web browser. We can use this icon also to do image search. What we do here is to simply click on this and allow access to try it. Click on allow access to camera, click on allow. What we want to do is to simply click on here and we look for an image that we want to use. So basically, I'm going to use this particular image right here. Then in a few seconds, it's going to search for related product picture. You can see it right here, including links on where we can purchase this particular product. So these are the stuff you can do as far as this particular AI browser is concerned. Let's quickly go back to the home page. Go back to the home page, leave just like so. Then you also have your Copilot right here, AI Copilot that you can use to chat. You can scroll down and read more latest information, latest news on this particular AI browser. So there are a lot of things you can do as far as how to install and use Microsoft Edge AI browser on your phone is concerned. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.